All right. Hi. So I'm supposed to be finding. Find. It's DADQ. DADQ. So, and the second derivative, I guess. And D squared A over DQ squared. Right, so first derivative and second derivative. Okay, so what we're going to notice is we're doing the derivative with respect to q here, right? And I'm saying here that a is a function of q, and actually even in the question, let me pull this guy over here. They do say that k and m and c are all constants. I don't know where it's at. So k is the cost of placing an order, which is the same, so it's a constant. It says c is a constant, and m is the item sold over a constant. Oh, and h as well. H is the cost of holding it per item, which is also a constant. All right, so really the only variable we're messing with is q. So I actually would want to think about this here, pull up, okay, cool. As something like, 5 over q plus 2 plus 3q over 4. Right, so you see, like, km is just some constant, c and m is just some constant, and h, and of course 2. Oh, why did I put 4? I meant 2. And 2, right? Obviously it's just some constant. So what I guess what I'd want to do is rewrite a so that it looks more like I like it. So I'm going to say this is, I'm going to put km in parentheses, because that's its own constant. Q to the negative 1. Cm, again, he's just some constant. And then I'm going to rewrite this one as h over 2 times q. So when I take dA dq, I guess here, just the power rule on that guy, so negative km times q to the negative 2, right? Negative 1 minus 1. Cm is just 0. And then h over 2 times q. So the derivative of that is just the constant, right? If it was 3x, the derivative would be 3, right? So I guess he's just h over 2. Then I suppose all I'm going to do is just rewrite that guy to negative km divided by q squared plus h over 2. And I'm done. If I want to take the second derivative, I guess I'm just going to come right from this thing here, right? So I guess I would say the only difference is now this is a well, here, let me just kind of rewrite that again. Back into form where I can take a derivative. So negative km q to the negative 2 plus h over 2. So it's just going to make my second derivative try again, d squared a divided by dq squared equals, I guess, right, the negative 2 comes down, and I got 2 km. Q to the negative 2 minus 1 is going to be q to the negative 3. And then h over 2 is just a constant, so plus 0. And I'm just going to write that as 2 km. Oops, 2 km divided by q squared. I'm sorry. Divided by q cubed. Just that. All right. Hope that helps. I'll go over it again in class if it still doesn't make sense. Ask me about it tomorrow or email me. Okay.